Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to get iPhone emoji in Samsung A36 or A56. If you want to get iPhone emojis in your phones, let's see how can do this. Just open Play Store, go for search, and here you just have to search for iOS emoji for Android. Just search for it, and here just install this app. Just tap on install and it will be installed on your phone. Now you just have to wait for its installation. Just wait for it. After the installation, just tap on open, and here just make a simple setup. So let's see how. Just wait for its loading, and here just close the ad, then select next from here, then done, and here select allow, and here you just have to tap on iOS emojis, and you can easily select themes from here. So you can see this is disabled. So let's see how can we enable it. Just tap on enable, and here just look for iOS style emoji. Just enable it, then select OK from here, then select OK. Now go back and select, then select iOS style emoji, and here just select language keyboard is the English. Just tap on done. You can see the iOS emoji has been enabled. So just open your keyboard, and here you'll easily get your iOS emojis. So that's how you can easily get iPhone emojis in Samsung A36 or A56. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.